Did you know a Roman emperor literally died from getting too angry? In 375, Emperor Valentinian I had the worst temper in Roman history. For 11 years, he terrorized his court with explosive rage fits. He even kept two pet bears named Goldflake and Innocence to feed people who annoyed him to death. Near modern Vienna, Germanic Quadi tribal ambassadors came to complain about Roman forts being built on their land. This was a huge mistake. Valentinian was already suffering from high blood pressure because he got angry all the time. During the meeting, the Quadi envoys kept pushing their demands. They would not stop talking. Suddenly, Valentinian started screaming at the top of his lungs. His face turned bright purple with fury. Then, in the middle of his angry rant, he just collapsed. A blood vessel in his brain had burst from pure rage. Roman officials watched in shock as their emperor died mid-sentence from his own temper tantrum. Valentinian became the only ruler in history that killed by his own anger.